There are calls this evening for the government to quickly complete repairs at the Linstead police station in St. Catherine. The station, which was damaged last year by Hurricane Beryl, has been ordered closed by public health officials. Sandy Williams reports.
When Hurricane Beryl swept through Jamaica last year, it left destruction in its path. The Linstead police station and the parish court in St. Catherine were among the damaged structures. They are both located in this two-story building on Rodney Hall Road. The court occupies the upper floor, the police station the ground floor. The roof, which had been damaged, has been repaired, allowing court proceedings to continue. The Public Health Department ordered the police station closed because of the extent of the structural damage, making it uninhabitable. Officers were temporarily relocated to the Linstead Town Centre complex, which was originally built as a community centre for children with disabilities. They operate from the veranda, using cardboard to block out the sun and to shield important documents from the elements. There's also little to no privacy for residents making police reports. The single restroom is inadequate, prompting officers to return to the dilapidated station just to use the bathroom.
The place is so uncomfortable that sometimes when people come here to make statements, because the place is wide open, it's a town centre building, it's a building that holds disabled kids. The police has to be using some of the space that the disabled children are, where they learn and be rehabilitated. The thing is so tacky, I don't even know to explain.
There's concern because there's no telling when the officers will return to their original space as repairs to the station have stalled. The Jamaica Police Federation says it is fully aware of the situation and has made representation to the Police Commissioner and the Minister of National Security.
Based on the recent updates from our Commissioner and Minister, is that there will be a retrofitted container as a temporary fix so that our colleagues can be comfortable whilst on duty and the citizens who visit the facility will also be comfortable. The wish of the Police Federation is for the Linstead Police Station in the future to be a brand new facility.
Until such time, the officers are left with no choice but to endure the discomfort. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.